Hello, everybody. It's been a while since I've put out a video, but I wanted to share this one with you. Document tabs is brand new from Google Docs. It's great. It's awesome. You can actually basically embed Google Docs within a Google Doc. And you can see here on the left-hand side, document tabs. And what I did is I just created a sample science lesson. And this also works for students. You can actually share this with your students as well. So what we do is you just click on the first tab. You can see use information with a new document. We're still in the science sample unit. Go to lesson two. There's lesson two, still within the same unit. Lesson four. I don't know why lesson four is there. We can drag that down here where it's supposed to be, down here. And then we got lesson three. Notice we can put in a link to Google Slides. You can do whatever you like in these Google Docs. A lab for lesson three. There's a little experiment. Um, Lesson four, this one's blank. And then we got a new one here. I'm just going to delete that guy. And that's how you can do it. These are movable. And when you click on the three vertical dots, you have different options here. You can put in an emoji. You can copy the link and paste it somewhere in another Google Doc. There's lots of things you can do here. Of course, you can choose an emoji. They have all the emojis available there to spice up your Google Doc a little bit. So how do we do that? You just go up here where it says document tabs. By the way, it might be like this. So you might have to click on the outline here. And then you can just go to document tab. It creates a new document. This is draggable. You can put that wherever you want. And then of course you can rename it to whatever title you want. And then of course put in an emoji and then create your Google Doc. Of course, you can copy an old Google Doc and throw it in here as well. So I'd like you to try it out, see what you think. Hopefully this works for you. Thanks.